In a nation of shadows, truth walks with chains. A child called Zara, her light remains. But when the wolves wear suits, they blame the lambs for the blood on their boots. The world is mourning Zara Karina's name. A flower was stolen, yet they shifted the blame. Her mother in chains, while the guilty still died. Justice was bartered for the seats of the swine.
Pages of sorrow inked in midnight rain. A child of light now etched in pain. Cameras flash but the truth goes blind. History rewrites what the vultures design. They crown the wolves, let the lambs take fall. The mother condemned for answering the call. Her tears drown deeper than the city's crime. But the verdict was sold for a vivid time.
The world is mourning Zara Karina's name. A flower was stolen, yet they shifted the blame. Her mother in chains, while the guilty still died. Justice was bartered for the seats of the swine.
A court full of actors, scripts in their hand. Justice for sale on political demand. Truth is a beggar at the parliament gate. Denied entry cause the verdict was late. They paint the mother as a villainous ghost, while her real demons clink glasses and toast. She carried a child like a nation's prayer, but they branded a lie she could never wear. Metaphors bleeding like ink on scroll. Her system corrupted from marrow to soul. If karma's a ledger, let the pages ignite. For every stolen dawn, there's a reckoning night.
The world is mourning Zara Karina's name. A flower was stolen, yet they shifted the blame. Her mother in chains, while the guilty still died. Justice was bartered for the seats of the swine.
They serve verdicts like cocktails, cold and neat, on trays of silver for the elite. The ink of the law is diluted with wine, signed by the fingers of hands not divine. The gavel is heavy, but hollow inside. A theater of power where truth is died. What's justice worth when the scales are sold? To measure a child with the balance of gold. Mother's voice cracked, but her spirit unbent. She spoke to the sky when the courtroom went silent. Zara's echo carved in the nation's skin. You could silence her song, but her soul
The
won't end.
world is mourning Zara Karina's name. A flower was stolen, yet they shifted the blame. Her mother in chains, while the guilty still died. Justice was bartered for the seats of the swine.
Yo. Tell me, how do you sleep with the crown on fire? How do you preach when your truth's for hire? How do you smile when a child is gone, but you edit the script and you move along? Zara's not numbers, she ain't statistics. Her story's a mirror, the cracks are ballistic. The mother's a warrior, painted as fraud, cause power protects its own facade. This is not verse, it's a requiem rhyme. A history scarred on the face of time. They chained a mother, but the chains won't last. For the voice of the people cuts iron like glass.
Zara Karina,
your name is a prayer the crooked can't bury.
your story's a blade the silence can't carry.
One day the gavel will strike in truth, and justice will rise for the child
The
of youth.
world is mourning Zara Karina's name. A flower was stolen, yet they shifted the blame. Her mother in chains, while the guilty still died. Justice was bartered for the seats of the swine. Di tanah bayang-bayang, kebenaran diikat rantai. Seorang anak bernama Zara, cahayanya tak pernah padam walau diragut kejam. Bila serigala bersut berbicara fasih, mereka tuduh si domba yang berdarah di tapak kaki musuh. Dunia berkabung, nama Zara bergema. Bunga disulam, tapi salahnya ditukar arah.
Muka ditulis hujan tengah malam, seorang cahaya kini menjadi kelam. Kamera berkilau namun buta pada nadi. Sejarah ditulis semula oleh bangkai yang rakus tadi. Mereka junjung serigala biar domba dihukum. Si ibu dijatuh kerana seruan yang murni. Air matanya tenggelam lebih dalam dari kota berdosa. Tapi keputusan dijual demi detik mewah mulia.
Hingga berkabung, nama Zara bergema. Bunga disulam, tapi salahnya ditukar arah. Si ibu terpenjara, si bersalah bersulang. Keadilan dilelong demi kerusi sang
Dewan bicara penuh pelakon, skrip di tangan. Hukum jadi jualan, ikut selera politik bangsawan. Kebenaran menunggu di gerbang parlimen, tak diundang masuk sebab keputusan sudah ditentukan. Ibu dilakar sebagai hantu bersalah, sedang iblis sebenar bersulang gelas mewah. Dia dukung anak bagai doa sekampung, tapi dituduh dusta yang tak pernah dia junjung. Metafora berdarah di atas helaian, sistem busuk sampai ke sumsum tulang. Andai karma itu kita biar terbakar mukanya. Setiap fajar yang dicuri akan tiba malam pembalasannya.
Berkabung, nama Zara bergema. Bunga disulam, tapi salahnya ditukar arah. Si ibu terpenjara, si bersalah bersulang. Keadilan dilelong demi kerusi sang
Reka
jalan.
hidang keputusan bagai koktel dingin di atas dulang perak untuk golongan terpilih. Dakwat undang-undang cair dicampur arak, ditanda tangan-tangan yang tak layak bersumpah. Palu hakim berat tapi kosong di dalam panggung kuasa tempat kebenaran dikafankan. Apa nilai adil bila neraca dijual, mengukur nyawa anak dengan timbang emas kebal. Suara ibu pecah tapi jiwa tak rebah. Dia bicara terpatri di wajah masa mereka rantai ibunya, tapi rantai kan hancur. Suara rakyat bagai kaca belah besi hancur.
Namamu doa yang tak bisa dikubur dusta. Kisahmu pedang yang tak mampu ditahan sunyi.
Akan tiba hari palu benar menghentak, dan keadilan bangkit buat anak
Ia
beta.
berkabung, nama Zara bergema.